What is it that separates a very talented dancer from a dancer who will be dancing for the rest of his or her life? It is somewhere the relationship that the dancer shares with his or her art. I wanted to create a space for dancers to learn movement, of course, but more so, it had to be a place where individuals could evolve and support the purpose of dance arts. For many dancers who start out dancing at a young age or even in their later years, dance usually becomes a space where they can easily seem to belong and just let go. It is also the space where the dancer eventually starts spending the majority number of hours. It became extremely crucial for us to create a space to help more and more dancers who not only excel in their physical prowess but also to initiate an ecosystem that was more holistic for the growth of the dancer overall.
Also going to listen for the background vocals because we use the background vocals too, yes?
Dance Sense is a program that extends outside the boundaries of common physical training of technique and helps to create a sense of belonging, safety, and practice. The program brings dancers of all ages into a larger, more mature, and seasoned dance community, including but not limited to private training sessions, master trainings, recorded practice sessions. There are regular community meetups, presentations, progress evaluations that are designed exclusively to upskill serious dancers through all levels and through all verticals of their growth. So no matter where you're from or what your dance training might have been, the motive of the program was letting dance be a space where you can let loose and just start enjoying yourself. Dancers and artists have a responsibility to bring something to the community around them. It is definitely not only about buzzing in and buzzing out of the stage spotlight. There is a lot more. Dance is communication. Dance is discipline. Dance is persistence. As an aspiring dancer, you have to look into your diet, your routine, choreography, avoiding injuries at all times. And then what is left of you? You must hold hands, support others around you, meticulously and carefully guide your students and your contemporaries. And that's a whole lot that goes into the making of a mature dancer, and that's what Dance Sense creates.